All right, so now hypothetically, we just gonna create. This is a disclaimer, man. This is a hypothetical scenario. First of all, I want to let you all know I have a carrier's license, which is legal in 38 states. And the number has increased since I got it. So, but hypothetically, if you are scared of your life, of what's going on in the world today, and you've been the baddest man in the land, oh mama, and you just go coast to coast, state to state, seeing what lanes to take and which loads pay the most, and you need protection. Hypothetically, I'm gonna tell you how I do it. Hypothetically speaking, whenever I go to California, because there's a lot of steak and shrimp money in Cali, but there are some tree-hugging motherfuckers, man, in California. So I'm going to show you hypothetically how I do it whenever I go to Cali. Oh, yeah, I got protection everywhere I go. Hypothetically, this is all hypothetical scenario. This is not an advice, a legal advice whatsoever. But let me show you all how I do it. Let me get this thing standing right here. Now, you know, some of y'all like the, you know, some of y'all may have grandpa's Smith and Weston. You know, whatever you guys find, we ain't out here to judge. Hell nah, But as you can see, yeah, we got big boy toys, right? Big boy, so this is for hypothetical. This is hypothetical. If we're gonna hypothetically go somewhere like California, for whatever the reason may be, this is what I do hypothetically every time before I enter Cali. First of all, I'm trying to position this thing where y'all can kind of see, but I may have to break it all down and then just give y'all the results. So hypothetically, here we go. Here. Hypothetically, this is a real gun. Now, all we know, this could be a BB gun. We never know, but so this is what we do. First and first, we take off anything that make it lethal. Now, this to go to Cali now. Once you're in, because you got to stay safe, right? Once again, I'm a licensed carrier in 38 states. I don't know about you. This hypothetical scenario, this is just for entertainment purposes only, but so this is what I do. First of all, we take out anything lethal, which is we keep it loaded now, because what I'm about to show you, I can undo and redo in about 15 seconds. So if you come out here at my door acting funny, banging, trying to ply in, bada bing, bada boom, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than to be carried by 6. Can I get an amen? Amen. All right, now here we go. So we dismount there, right? So this is dismounted. By the way, I'm waiting to get unloaded now. This is all hypothetical. I'm hypothetically waiting to get unloaded. Oh, you know, I'm at the crib. All I know, I'm just cleaning out my truck right now. Okay, so when you get hypothetical, if this was a real gun now, so you see now, let's be honest. So we take this off, right? Now, some of y'all may have them old school Smith and Weston, but I'm in love with Mr. Ruger. So Mr. Ruger, so what I do is right here is I wish I can position this video better or show you, but with Mr. Ruger, you do this where you at? So this pin right here, there's a pin right here. You pull that pin out, right? You pull that pin out, and watch the magic now. Yeah, oh yeah. Separate. This is less lethal than a cat scratching you now. Do you know what I'm saying? This is what hypothetically I do every time I go to Cali. But as you can see, the disassembly is bada bing, bada boom. Takes me like, 3 seconds. Bam. Just a plastic, non-lethal by law. Display, you know, has potential, but this by itself, non-lethal by law. I mean, non-lethal by law. This is just a steel metal. This is just a piece of metal you're holding, okay? Non-lethal by law. So, with all that being, now you got to make sure now. So, with that all being said, Hold on. Give me 1 second, because I want to show y'all, man. I want to show you something. Give me a second. All hypothetical simp. So, non-lethal by law. So, hypothetically, we got a piece, just of plastic, a little piece of metal, a toy, and another piece of metal. Do you understand? To get ahead in the game, forgive the dirty ass truck. It's okay. I like dirty money. But to get ahead in the business, to get ahead in life, stay protected. To make sure you get home to your parents. When you go to certain states, you gotta know the law. Yeah, do y'all see that? You see that? Non-lethal. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I bandage it. My bad. I almost forgot the most important part. Unlike some of y'all, every time I buy groceries, I keep the bag, right? So this is what I do. I take Exhibit A. I put it in the bag, right? I wrapped it up by itself. Exhibit B, if I would recommend you put this pin back in there. If you me and Mr. Rugal have been friends for a very long time. Now I don't know who y'all deal with, but me and Mr. Rugal have been friends for a very long time. So my recommendation, you take this right here. You do the best you can do to slide it back in there, right? You slide it back in there, and then so now it just look like that. Just a toy. Put in another grocery bag. Oh, yeah. Know the law. So you can be protected, damn it, okay? You put it right here. And then this one, hypothetically, this could be harmful somehow, some way. I don't know how, but you get another bag. So 3 bags now. I hope you're counting them. 3 grocery bags. You put this one in here too, right? So, oh yeah, make sure you wrap them all up. Make sure all of them are nice and wrapped up, okay? Nice and wrapped up, okay? Nice and wrapped up, ladies and gentlemen, nice and wrapped up. Because I got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They're all wrapped up. And I have 2 drawers out here. So what I do, I put... Yes, sir. Good to go. All right, thank you. I appreciate you. I'm done. The money has been unloaded. So we'll take 1, put it in the drawer on top. We take the second one. Hold on. We'll put it on the bottom drawer, okay? The one with the GPS and all that. And then we'll take this one, put it also on the bottom drawer, but separate from each other. The game is made to be played. So you want to win, you got to play the game. You can't be a starter sitting on the bench. Yeah. By the way, this is an all hypothetical scenario. And this ain't no legal advice or nothing. Don't be a dumbass and think you can just come out here. Don't do stupid things and put my name in your mouth. No, do not put my name in your mouth. But anyways, that's it. So I can go wherever the hell I want. Bam. Somebody acting crazy. I just reach in there, right? Bam. Reach number 2 component. Bam, bam. It takes me about 6 seconds to assemble. Protect myself. But at the same time, you're illegal, because that's not a representation. That doesn't reflect. The design itself does not look like any form of model of weapon that I know. In that form, like I said, a cat's claw is more deadly than what you got in the truck. State G, the money just came, and they said it done. So you know what I mean, man. We got to go. YouTube, you know what the deal is. The baddest man in the land, oh mama. There goes that man. YouTube, my videos are real, my videos are raw, my videos are all authentic. You can't talk trucking without putting Chase and Mr. Hamilton in YouTube. I'm out, baby.